Hello, everybody. Good evening. Today is June 3rd, um, Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, all. June 3rd, 2026. I just want to talk about life, a day in my life, what's going on. I just want to say hi to everybody, and I hope you guys are having a good time, enjoying summer with your friends and family. A little about me. I've been blogging on and off. The story of me is just from the beginning of the story that you guys watched my video about my dad who passed away. I've been taking care of him alone, and I hope you guys that you know, I hope you guys that watching this video. Thank you to all your support. Thank you guys for supporting me this video and everything that I appreciate it, guys. To be honest, I've been so struggling after the death of my dad. Uh, so anyway, a little about me. I don't know if you see me here. Um, I was taking care of my dad. I'm from the Philippines, by the way, and I was taking care of my dad alone. And he died last year, 2025. I've been so sad after that, and I struggle looking for jobs. And yeah, this is me, guys. I'm just resting, relaxing at home tonight, but working from home. I'm trying to work from home. You know, I'm gonna blog again. I'm gonna go back to blog again, blogging again. So I hope you guys follow my journey. Being alone here in this country is so hard because I don't have no friends and family. My family is actually they're all in the Philippines. And hello, kababayan. I'm from the Philippines and I've been here in the U.S. since 2004. And I'm still struggling, guys. And I hope that you guys can hear me. This is my first time using my mic. Um, so I hope you guys watching this video and my blog. I really appreciate all your help and support. I lost my job because I resigned because I took care of my dad alone, and right now I'm just like at home searching for job, trying to figure it out what should I do. I'm gonna start blogging again, daily life, and letting you know all you guys that what's going on with me because you know I don't have nobody to talk to here, and my family there in the Philippines, we communicate long distance, which is not daily basis because it's so hard to call long distance. So yeah, I just looking for jobs here, hoping that you know can help. You could help me, guys, to share my story out there, my unique story, being alone, and I took care of my dad. My dad passed away, and my husband passed away. I don't have nobody to help me here in the US. So yes, I'm very lonely, guys, and as you can see me here, it's just so hard. And thank you, guys. You can see my bag, made in Minnesota or Chicago, but I live in Minnesota, guys. I bought that in Chicago. But yeah, little about me. Just resting at home, relaxing, and I hope that you guys are sorry that I did not. I don't want to show up my thing. Yeah, this is me. My name is Gina, and I look forward of you guys to support me and watch me. I work from home as a EI annotation. I don't know if you guys know that, but I work from home, relaxing, just be at home. But I'm looking for a recent job that do physical outside because but right now it's so hard now because I don't know if you guys heard about the hangba virus. I don't know, I cannot pronounce that. After the COVID, there's another virus coming again, but I don't know if a lot of business are closed again. But I would love to do physical outside, my home. Like I can do other job, but yeah, I would love to do a physical job again. So hopefully, guys, you can help me, and yeah. So my dad came over 2018, and he's been with me since 2018 and until 2025. He died 2025 December. I celebrated myself on the New Year's and Christmas because I was alone. I'm still alone. And God is with me. I do believe, and I do have faith in God that God is not leaving as long as you have a strong prayers. You pray every day. So that's important. So it's a very important that you have faith in God, that you accepted God in your heart fully, not just by talk. You have to do by actions. Show to yourself and just tell to God that you need help, that you're not leaving Him, and He will always be provider. He always provide you anything that happened to you. But that's my number one for me. I have to communicate to God. And I know sometimes it could be rough. Sometimes I could be like, when you are so down with nobody, you just hard to express, when you are so down and nobody helping you. um I have no regrets here being alone, because I know, even though a lot of people out there that have friends, at the end of the day, when you're alone, you're in bed, you get sick, but your friend is not there. You know what I mean? Like, they're always there. They're only there for money or for gossip. Like, I'm staying away. I'm more like introvert. I'm more like introvert. I don't hang out to a lot of people. Like, I only have one friend. It's God. God is my only one friend. Um, he's been supported me since I was born here in the world, in the universe. God has created me, and no matter what happened, I'm always gonna be, you know, I'm gonna be. I'm not living in this world. Like, God will always be here to help me physically, emotionally, spiritually, and financially. He's gonna support me. And I know it's hard, but He's gonna be helping me. Um, right now, guys, I don't have a job. Just looking for anything physical job out there. I work from home, but it's like not consistent. Like when you go online, it's not, you could encounter a lot of scammers online. So right now I'm doing like multi-platform job, like doing Wonolo, Instacart, Reflex, what else, Workwhile. I don't know if you heard about that. And also, of course, DoorDash. So yeah, I'm doing that multitasking job. It's a physical job, it's not at home, but I work at Mercor. It's more like a EI annotation, but it's not consistent job. Um, it's not like, it's more a contractor, independent contractor. So you don't have to, a lot of people like, oh, there's a lot of people remotely, a lot of people working remotely, but they're not consistent. And it's just so hard to communicate online because there's a lot of scammers online nowadays. So yes, guys, just be home. I'm lonely, and I just wanna say back to you guys na welcome me. You guys welcome me, and I welcome you back here in this blog. I hope you guys are really interested of watching my blog, because I will be uh showing blog here more often now. I have my mic, so if you guys gonna watch me what I do daily. I'm gonna start tomorrow, and my daily a day of my in my life. I want to share that to you guys about what I do living here. And thank you so much, guys, for everything that you supported me, helping me a lot. I do appreciate that. And it's nighttime here. It's almost midnight in Minnesota. Today is June 3rd. Welcome. And I will be back here again tomorrow. I will be showing more blogs. And yes, I'm alone. uh God is with me, and I'll always be there, and he's always be with me no matter what. And you just have to be strong, be brave, and don't get any temptation out there. I don't know what three things that you don't know about me, four things that you don't know about me. I don't drink. Five things, I'm sorry, five things that you don't know about me. I don't drink, I don't smoke, I don't do drugs, you know, no tattoos. I love to travel. So, no drink, no drugs, no smoking, no tattoo, and I love to travel. That's five things that you don't know about me. I love to travel, but right now, summer is coming up. Right now, it's the beginning of June. So, I will be blogging a lot, guys. So, keep an eye, click subscribe, and likes and share my blogs every day. And I will be here blogging all day tomorrow. See you then. I love you guys. Have a good night. Thank you. Bye bye.